Thanksgiving is a celebration of gratitude, kindness, and thankfulness, and one of the most beloved traditions in the United States and beyond. Hello and welcome to our Thanksgiving special. I am Gyanishala Malik, and here's the whole idea behind this holiday. Observed for over 400 years, Thanksgiving is a national holiday celebrated on various dates in October and November across countries like the United States, Canada, St. Lucia, and Liberia. It is also marked unofficially in places such as Brazil and Germany, and even in Australia's Norfolk Island. In the United States, Thanksgiving is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. This year, it falls on November 27th, 2025. It's a nationwide observance as federal offices, banks, and most businesses close for the day while people pause to reflect on gratitude and togetherness. While its roots go back to early 17th century harvest festivals, Thanksgiving became an official national holiday much later. The first Thanksgiving was celebrated in 1621 in Plymouth, Massachusetts, when the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag people shared a harvest feast, symbolizing cooperation and gratitude after a challenging year. During the American Revolution, the Continental Congress proclaimed occasional days of Thanksgiving to celebrate victories. In 1789, President George Washington declared the first National Day of Thanksgiving, honoring peace and the newly adopted Constitution. The holiday we know today took shape in 1863 when President Abraham Lincoln proclaimed the last Thursday of November as a National Day of Gratitude, even in the midst of the Civil War. Later in 1941, President Franklin D. Roosevelt officially fixed Thanksgiving to the fourth Thursday of November. Since that year had 5 Thursdays, from then on the date has remained unchanged. Today, Thanksgiving stands as the unofficial beginning of the holiday season, a time for family reunions, long distance travel, and sharing meals that symbolize abundance and appreciation. At the heart of the celebration is the Thanksgiving feast, a table rich with tradition. Families across the country prepare roasted turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. But it is not just about the food. Thanksgiving traditions include watching parades, football games, and volunteering to serve meals to those in need. It is also a moment of reflection to give thanks for the year gone by and for the people who make life meaningful. And as with most holidays, Thanksgiving has evolved with time, even in how Americans shop and spend. Recently, an economic headline caught attention when Walmart announced Thanksgiving this year will cost 25% less than last year. But there's a catch. According to reports, Walmart's 2025 meal basket is cheaper because it includes fewer items, 15 compared to last year's 29. Some popular favorites are missing, including pecan pie, mini marshmallows, muffin mix, and even vegetables like sweet potatoes and celery. The store has also swapped products to make the basket more affordable, replacing sweet Hawaiian rolls with plain dinner rolls and offering a 13.5-pound turkey instead of a 10 to 16-pound range. While some shoppers might miss their favorite holiday items, others see it as a welcome relief, proof that Thanksgiving at its core isn't about extravagance, but about gratitude, sharing, and the spirit of coming together. While this is up for debate, Trump too has welcomed this move. And if you are somebody who loves to go to the theater and enjoy watching movies with your family and friends, filmmakers have curated a few options to make your Thanksgiving extra special. From Wicked Part 2 on November 21st and Zootopia 2 on November 26th to Rental Family on November 21st. So have a happy and entertaining Thanksgiving. Meanwhile, kindness, appreciation, and togetherness are what truly make this day special. And once again, to whoever is celebrating, a very happy Thanksgiving Day.